Hello everyone, I'm Okolong Sam. I want to take you through web design, and I'm taking you through UNEB 2017 O level number 2. Here is the question. The two web pages below are for Makinde University website, and we have the pages here. This is the home page. That is the page 2. Using web publishing software of your choice, create a website for Makinde University with the above pages. Save it as your name and personal number. So let's begin. So I have already created my folder here, Okolong Sam 001, which is that. You must also do that. Then I want to begin my Microsoft Expression Web. Okay, now for us to come up with the site, you come to Site tab, New Site. Now for this question here, I'm not going to use templates. I'm going to use General, and under General, I'm going to empty site. So after that, go and browse for your folder where you are going to save this site. So under desktop, we have a folder called Okolong Sam 001. Okay. So after that, under the folder list here, that's where you will see your folder, the locations, the C, profile user, or John. Then on the desktop, and the folder is called Okolong Sam. So whatever we are going to create, all the pages we are going to create, we are going to create them from that folder. So that means that in case I want to come up with a page, I simply come and I right click on my folder, go to new. What am I going to create? I'm going to create HTML. So it gives you the name default .html. I can leave that like that. The second page, because we have two pages. Now that one is going to be page 2. Page 2.html. Okay, now let's begin. Our home page should look the way it is there. So let's make it. Double click on the default. I'm going to use that as home page. I'm going to use design. So under design, I will have the top banner. I will have the navigation bars. So all those ones, I'm going to create them locally here. So under my top banner, I may have Makinde University. University. Okay, then this is where I may put my banner. Sorry, I may put there my navigation buttons, and the first one will be home page. I can separate it with this symbol. Then page 2. Okay, so for the home page, home page. I may have our site. Welcome to our site. Okay, then I have the courses offered. Now I'm going to use a table to simplify for me that. I'm going to insert here the table. So to do that, you go to table tab, insert table. So I'm going to use 2 by 2. Okay, you can reduce. This is where I'm going to have my courses. I can even bold it. Okay, and when you look at this, the table, the cells were merged. Select the cells, go back to table, modify, and we are merging cells. Okay, now let us list our table, and the table has been listed on using an ordered list, the bullets. Come to bullets. The first one is business administration, information technology. The other one is financial mathematics, computer science, medicine. Then lastly, medicine. Okay, then we have there register here. Register here. And they also said we can use some graphics in each page. So I'm going to use some images. You go to insert, picture from file. So I have my images here, so you can browse to look for your images. I'm going to apply that. Can reduce on your image. So that's all. So let me now edit this page the way it's supposed to be. This is our top banner, and we are going to have some title here. So I use heading 1. This is also the title of the page. And use heading 2. I will need to link these pages to different what. So select it and right click, hyperlink to, I want it to take me to the default. The next one, right click, hyperlink, it should take me to page 2. Okay, then after that, register here should take me to the form. Select it, right click, hyperlink, page 2, because that's where our form is. Alright, so after that I can save, then I can work on page 2 also. I will click on page 2 to work on it also. So I have my top banner. Then I have the navigation buttons. Those are the things that I want to be shared. Yes. So when we come here, the title for the page there is Students Register Form. Register form. Okay. Then we have some form there, and for us to organize our form very well, we are going to first insert the table. So my table will have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows and 2 columns. Table, insert, increase the number of rows. I'm going to use 8 by 2 columns. You can reduce on the column width. So the first one, I have name. I'm arranging my form now. There is courses or course. Gender, date of birth, next of kin. Gender, date of birth, next of kin, telephone number, nationality, telephone, nationality. Okay, so under name, since this is a form, we shall move to form controls here. So with the name, we shall input the text, and that is a text input, drag and drop it here. Drag and drop it there. You can resize. Course, the same text. Input, what should be text. Drop there. Gender, when you look at the format here, under gender, within that cell, they inserted another table of 2 columns and 2 rows. So under gender, in that cell, I'm going to insert another table, 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay. And reduce it. The first one is female. The second one is male. Under female here, they have used the check box. Drag your check box and drop it there. The same to male. Okay. Date of birth, they have used a drop down box. And resize, they used 3 of it. Last one. Okay. Next of kin is text input. Telephone number, text input. Nationality, text input. Then lastly we have submit. So input or submit button, you can even resize it. Okay, we are done with the form. Then down here we have back home. You can link it straight away. Select, right click, hyperlink. Where do you want it to go to? Default, because that's our home page. Okay. They also said we should include some graphics. Insert some photos or images. Insert picture, file. I may even insert that lady. Resize, click on it. Yeah, that image is enough, because they did not put 100. They did not say put 100 images. So since this is a banner, we are using a title, that is a heading 1. For this one we are using a heading 2, and that's okay. All right. Create links to ease navigation. I've done that. Apply McQueen on the page titles. So let me apply McQueen on each page titles. So I can begin with the page 2. The page title here is the students register form. So simply just click, first go to split view, click on it, that students register form once, to locate where it is on the code view. So I have it here. Then I'm going to apply McQueen. McQueen has opening tag and the closing tag. And I close it. I'm done. I can save. Okay. So in case you want to apply the McQueen styles, simply just come and double click on the text that you have applied McQueen on. Then McQueen properties will be displayed. So under the properties, you can set the direction, the speed, the behavior. So let me use the alternate. Background color, let me use yellow. Okay. Then my top banner, I'm going to use another color. To select it, right click, select it, move to highlight, and you select the color that you may want. So I'm going to use this. Apply. Okay, they also said we apply different colors to the page. To apply page color, simply just come and click, right click anywhere within your page, go to page properties. Under page properties box, go to formatting. Under formatting, we have background. You may go for more background. Then you select the one which is good for you. And you say okay. Okay, you can see how my background will look like. So I'm done with the modification of page 2. Let me go to home page. I first of all apply McQueen, split, click on the title where you're going to apply the McQueen, simply to locate where the word is or the text is. So it is here. I apply the McQueen. Close the McQueen. Okay. Save. Go back to your design, and I've told you in case you want to change the McQueen properties, simply just double click on the text that you applied McQueen on. I'm also going to use alternate. Background color, I want it to be uniform. Okay. Then my top banner, I apply that. It'll be the same as the one of the other page. Then when you look at the bullet style here, it's different from the one I've applied. So I'm going to change the bullet style. Simply just select the list, right click on it, then go to list properties. Under list properties, you can change the design of your bullet. I want that. Okay. So after that, what's left? The page color. I said simply just right click within your page, then go to page properties, right click, page properties, formatting, background color, more. So let me choose one. I may use that. I say okay. Okay, so I have done that. Save. Select. We have applied marquee. We have used different background color. Appropriate graphics is there. Add a suitable logo on the home page. Then also contact information on the home page. Okay. So this is my home page. I want to apply the logo. So I'm going to put my logo under the top banner and click where you want your logo to appear. Insert picture from file. Then I may reduce. Okay, I have applied the logo. They also said you include some contact information. So I'm going to include the telephone and maybe the email. Tell that's maybe the telephone contact. Then the email. They did not say use this email, so you can use any email address. Save. What's remaining? The only thing remaining is to save and print your pages. I have already saved, so let me just go and print my pages. I've done everything. So before I print, I must test it on the browser. So I will go to File, Preview in the browser, and I will use Firefox. You wait as the Firefox is loading our pages. Okay, let's repeat. File, Preview in the browser, and I'm using Firefox. page. You can see my mark is, we have our logo page. You can go to your page 2, that you have the form, the way it appears. So the only thing I think what is remaining is for us to have the page title, because now when you can see here I have untitled one. So let me go and include the title for different pages that will appear on my browser. So this is a home page, and under home page I'm going to call it home page. So I will simply just go to split, and according title is always before head. And I want to call it home page. Close the tag. And save. Go to page 2 also, do the same. Title. Save. Let us see whether it will appear. Refresh your page. So under page 2 I have the title here, page 2, home page. So let me see whether this one is working. Register must take me to page 2, then back home. Oh, they are all working. Then lastly we are going to print our pages. So in case you are going to print a page, you must print it from the browser. So click on home page, come to these 3 lines here at the extreme end, click print, and this is how the printout will look like. Then simply go and click on print and choose the printer and say print. That will be all, and that has been all for that question. Thank you.